Hey there! Are you searching for a new affordable home? Are you tired of paying rent with nothing to show for it? Are you longing for a place to call your own? Well, look no further. The brand new Englewood mobile home is just what you need. This little beauty is an affordable alternative to the high price of housing these days. Pick one up, build it and plant it in your favorite plot of land, or rent a pad in the local trailer park. Whether you are that sweet little old grandma or that big strapping redneck, the new Englewood is definitely for you. The sleek lines and stunning colors of this fabulous home are waiting for you. You can buy just the trailer with a Spartan interior, or give it that cared-for look of the little old lady next door with all her wonderful flowers and details. The detail kit includes a bed, dresser, a TV with your choice of channels, and chairs for the kitchen. If the bachelor next door is more your style, then Redneck Earls is for you. It comes with all the accoutrements for that authentic trailer park feel. So come on down and check out the new Englewood at Interaction Hobbies. You will not be disappointed.